In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram that automatically closes or crashes. The first thing I want to do is to go to the App Store if you are on an iPhone, or go to the Play Store if you are on Android. So let's just go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Instagram. The reason why we are doing this is to make sure that we have the latest version of Instagram. As you can see, beside my Instagram app it says open, but if you have a button that says update, you probably, or you need to update your Instagram app. So if you need to update it, and then we move on to the next step. The next thing you can try, if this doesn't work, you can try to clear the cache and data. On an Android, this is really simple. You just go to the settings, and then you go to the Instagram, and then you can clear the cache from there. It's a little bit more trickier on an iPhone. You have to actually you have to delete and reinstall the app. So you have to then delete the app, and this will clear the browser cache. So when you have installed the app, this should have resolved your problem. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.